Hey, this is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island. Today I'm going to show you our trade-in 2025 Monterey ELITE 30. She's got about 50 hours on her twin V8 300 Mercuries. You've got a nice swim platform over here, lots of nice soft decking, another platform here. You do have your charger and freshwater wash down. As we enter in on the starboard side, you get a lot of sun coverage with this hard top here. And of course, you've got a ski tow and spreader lights back here as well. These aft seats are reversible and there is storages underneath. So we've got separate stereo control back here. And of course, our wet bar and trash Yeti cooler, one of two, mind you. So nice cockpit chairs here. Real sports car feel to it. Easy ergonomics for your trim tabs, for your shifters, and for your joystick, and of course the Simrad display, along with your Fusion there. Plenty of cup holders, and we've got a walkthrough on both sides, bringing up to the front. There is another table mount up here. There's one back there you may have seen in the video. So you can have dining or sitting out drinks here, just lounge here. It is a forward-facing head door, which is nice because I've got more room here, and then walk around back to the other side. Plenty of room to move around. She is really well suited to, I'm looking at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at the center, 10, 11 people comfortably, and that's without me just standing there by your side. So this is our Monterey ELITE 30. She's a 2025 and she is available here at MarineMax Kent Island. My name is Chris Whitman. Give me a call.